The strengths from this year have really been about the scientific approach and a very systematic way of thinking through the hypothesis, thinking through the methodology that they're going to use, and then doing the analysis of the results.
What as judges I think we're looking for is that the way these students have gone about designing their experiments and then carrying them out to make sure that they've changed the things that they should be changing in terms of the variables and controlling for other factors as much as possible.
Every single one of the projects had some elements of creativity to them. So they designed the practical really creatively and imaginatively around new ideas. It wasn't just let's do and prove things we already know.
The team that won had gone a step further. They were challenging. They'd actually looked at some information on the internet and decided to test it out for themselves and actually come up with a completely different answer.
And they had the confidence and guts to say, look, we've done it. You've got it wrong. These are our results from our experiment. And they talked really well about how they could take the experiment further and the investigation further to learn more about it and see whether they're correct or whether their other source was correct.
One of the areas we've seen developing very rapidly is the combination of experiments with computer modelling and analytics. So you can actually visualise what's happening as well as being able to forecast and expand very rapidly and quickly other types of scenarios or simulations. And I think we'll probably like to see more of that maybe in the future.
And if you come to the Science Museum and see the results of human ingenuity and human endeavour, then that's what we're asking these students to engage with, and they're on the beginning of a journey that may well one day lead to the Science Museum collecting something from one of their many projects.